أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
How can we help our children be rooted in Tazkiyah early on? Number one, do you have it? Do you have it as a mother? If you don't have it, you can't give it. Anybody doesn't have that thing cannot give it to somebody else. So number one, I have to have it, not knowledge. Because children, if there's any smart human being, is children. Very smart. Copy paste you. Have you seen it? And the common example you are gonna laugh is when the young girl wears her mother's shoes and starts walking with her mother's shoes. Very common scenario. Copy and paste. So if I wouldn't say root in Tazkiyah, this is higher level. I say I am a woman in the path of Tazkiyah, struggling, but it is part of my life. So the child see you. When the adhan comes in, you stop and you listen to the adhan. You glorified the symbol of Allah. The child will learn it. So when you are cooking and you put the food and then you tell the child, and you don't say, before you tell them, you say, Alhamdulillah, Bismillah, you say it loud, then you remembered Allah. Alhamdulillah, then you remembered Allah. The child will see it. Will see it in practice. When he sees you after the salah sitting for 5 minutes in dhikr, this will be rooted. I'll give you an example. One of my teachers, every Friday she reminded me of this story. Her great uncle was the Imam of the Haram. So this is his sister. She said on Friday, I remember very well, she lived with them. So on Friday we were children, they were a big family. So children, I think I was 8 or 7, you know, children plays. She said, and she's very nice to us. She gives us candy, plays with us. Friday after Asr. She says she is in her room. The door is closed. And if we even try to get in, this is my teacher now. See, this is how many years ago? She said, this is Friday after Asr. This is my time with Allah. She did. So years later, still in there, engraved in her. So to engrave Tazkiyah in children, you be a muzakkar and remind them of Allah. They love animals, remind them who created them. They love to go, you go to the park. We all love to go to the park. Take them to the park, let them play. In there, remind them of Allah. At younger age, we talk about 3 and 4 and 5. Once they get 10 and 11, it becomes a little bit more challenging. At this younger age. So Tazkiyah, you practice it, and dua. اللهم آت نفوسنا تقواها وزكها أنت خير من زكاها.